This is a 1954 Cadillac Eldorado. I was asked to do a inspection and evaluation of the car, and so before I return it to the owner, I'm doing a little video walk around so I can point out just a few things that I notice on the inspection report that I've put together for the owner. Now, 54 Eldorados are a fantastic car and quite different than the Series 62 convertibles that were also available in 1954. But let's go over this just a little bit here, talk about the car. I left the trunk open so I could show you inside the trunk some of the details. This is a frame-off restoration, so to say. The trunk material is not correct original, but it's very nice. And the entire car is done quite nicely. You'll see little details that were not forgotten, like the rubber bumpers for the trunk lid, the correct plating on the hardware, the bolts there, very nicely installed black insulation material up in there, and of course the jacking instructions, CAD plating again, correct. And then we have the gold plating on the V and the Eldorado script. Yes, we can argue about how bright the gold V is supposed to be. I'm not going to argue about that here. I'll let you experts make comments. Okay, now the parade boot in place. It's excellent. Going to the upholstery. Yes, it's all leather. And the embossed Cadillac V logo. And around the corner here to the front. And the upholstery done nicely. There's a few little wrinkles and pulls here and there, but all in all, very nice. Floor plates in place. Pedal pads done quite well. Chrome around here is all just fine. And this being an early 1954 Eldorado, it has the wing windows, same style as the 53 Eldorado. Later production 54 Eldorados had a standard vent window here, and you notice the visors are the shaded plastic vinyl. So these wire wheels are the original wire wheels, not the reproductions. The reproduction wheels have too many spokes. These are correctly restored original 54 wire wheels. And we'll go around to the front, and I'll see if I can reach in here and open the hood and take a look at everything going on under the hood. Okay, so under the hood we have the correct hood pad, electronic eye unit. The wiring is completely correct with all the correct terminals, the correct finish on the different components, the right colors. Hardware is as it's supposed to be, CAD plated or not. Some of the black pieces are gloss black, some of them are satin black, as it's supposed to be. They've added an electric fan so that it'll keep cool in slow-moving traffic. You know that the gasoline we have nowadays burns hotter, causes the engines to run warmer, and that's just what we have to deal with because our environmentalists have decided to change the formulas so that the modern cars run cleaner. It just makes our old cars run hotter. So there it is, a little walk around in the '54 Eldorado. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.